Did you know that 73% of consumers say they prefer speaking to a real person when they have an issue? Yet, artificial intelligence can reduce a business's operating costs by up to 40%. So, what should a small business do? Choose efficiency or warmth? Today on Madeja Digital, I'll tell you that this question is the wrong way to look at it. Welcome to episode 12 of Madeja Digital. I'm your host, and today we're going to bust one of the biggest myths about digital transformation, that AI will replace the human touch in your business. The reality in 2026 is much more interesting. Small businesses that are growing aren't choosing one or the other. They're learning to combine both smartly. And that's exactly what we'll explore today with 3 very practical examples. First point, use AI to filter and people to close. Imagine you run a building materials store in Valencia. Every week you get 50 inquiries via WhatsApp and email. Most are generic price questions any chatbot can answer. But 5 or 6 customers really want to place a big order. The problem is your sales rep spends 3 hours a day answering basic queries before reaching those valuable clients. With a well-configured AI agent in 2026, that filtering happens automatically. The chatbot responds, qualifies, and sorts. Your salesperson only talks to those ready to buy. The result? More sales in less time, and customers feel they're dealing with a professional, not a machine. Second point, let AI create the draft, but make sure it's your voice that signs off. Take a dental clinic in Bogota wanting to post on Instagram 3 times a week. Without AI, someone spends 2 to 3 hours weekly just planning and writing posts. With tools available in 2026, AI can generate 10 post ideas in 10 minutes, complete with structure, tone, and calls to action. But here's the key. The dentist or communications lead reviews, tweaks, and adds that personal touch only they know. The real story, the advice from experience. The result is authentic content produced at a speed that was impossible before for a small business. Third point, and perhaps the most important, automate everything repetitive to free up human time for moments that really matter. A small travel agency in Mexico City can use AI to send confirmations, manage booking changes, remind about documents, and answer FAQs 24/7. All that runs smoothly on its own. But when a client calls because their flight was canceled and they're stranded at the airport with family, they need a real person to listen, make decisions, and provide reassurance. AI can't do that with the same effectiveness, at least not yet. The key is designing your business to know exactly which moments are critical for the customer experience and reserving your team's human talent for those. All right, let's sum up. Number 1, use AI to filter and qualify leads and let your people close the sales. Number 2, leverage AI to generate content at scale, but add your voice and judgment before publishing. Number 3, automate all repetitive and administrative tasks and reserve human contact for moments that truly build trust with your customer. The question isn't AI or people. The right question is, where in my business do I need speed and scale? And where do I need warmth and judgment? When you can answer that, you gain a real advantage. If this episode has given you ideas you can apply this week in your business, I invite you to visit madeja.digital. There you'll find practical guides, resources, and tools to help your small business harness technology without losing what makes you unique, your human touch. Subscribe to the podcast, share it with another entrepreneur who needs it, and we'll see you in the next episode of Madeja Digital.